there! In today's video, I'll show you how to scan documents on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to open camera on our phone and then click on this settings icon. Here, we would need to make sure that this feature, which is named Scan Documents and Text, is enabled. And also, click on its name and make sure that the auto scan is also enabled. And now we are all set. Let's try to scan some document. I got this one right here. And I will just simply point my camera on it. And as you can see, the photo has been made automatically. I haven't pressed any buttons to make the photo. Now let's take a look on it. To save the photo, we would need to click on this download icon. And now we would need to check the gallery. And as you can see, the scan is pretty good. It's almost like on the scanner and the details are really good. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.